Hi, we're Mark and Ali.
Hello.
Hi, today we're here to talk about our range of coasters and placemats, which are inspired by the Oslo Barcode District, which is like a sort of architectural set of buildings in Oslo. So these are the coasters and placemats that we're talking about. They're geometric in style. And basically, we're going to run through how they're made and what the benefits are of these wooden placemats and coasters.
Cool. Yeah. Oh, you're going to keep going. Yeah.
No, I'll pass over to you.
Cool. So, firstly, if you want to see the actual barcode design, you can literally just Google Barcode Oslo, and you'll see like the kind of district block it comes from. All the patterns are found on there. You might find them on this pattern here. So how it's made. So similar to our video a few days ago, you know that it's laser cut. We use a combination of cutting and engraving. So these lines here are engraved lines, and obviously all the outside is cut. These in little pieces like so, they come out and they're air gunned individually. So they're not like painted by hand. We use an air gun to get the same consistency of color. Then we set them back in again, which is then varnished so that it's really hard wearing and waterproof. And then on the bottom, to make sure that they don't rub at all against your table or against each other, we have these little cork feet, which again are very sustainable, as we were talking about the other day. And then it's all finished in the hard wearing material. So yeah, very, very hard wearing, very nice.
Yeah, so we've got them available in different colours. We've got navy, we've got yellow and green in the placemats. And we've also got them in matching coasters. We've got orange in the coasters as well. Like the reason why we think these are a nice thing to own is that they are different from what you can get on the high street. They're handmade. Each one has a unique wood grain. So, you know, plywood's got beautiful patterns in the wood. That really comes out with the varnish that we use. They really suit mid-century furniture as well. They're quite sleek. And yeah, it's just a nice piece to have. And Mark's going to run through like how you can look after your placemats and coasters.
Yeah, so it's quite easy really. As they're made from wood, you don't want to like submerge them in water, but they are kind of splash proof. So you can just like wipe them down after you've used them. And all the finishes are really kind of resistant. So even with things like turmeric, which we put on it, it came off eventually. The sun would bleach it over time. So literally, we found nothing really that stained it. But you just have to be careful not to like over wet it really.
Yeah, just give it a dry after you wipe it with your damp cloth basically. And because it's got the cork feet on the bottom, you can just stack them on top of each other in your cupboard. If you're interested in these or other items that we've made, then you can go to our website. It's www.studio-mali.com. And yeah, you can have a look what we've made. We've also got lots of other travel info on there. Lots of photos from our adventures. So take a look.
Cool, guys.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Have a nice day.
Bye.
See you. Bye.